Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set up Trustline in Xumm. Firstly, go to the XRPL Services website. Scroll down until you see Trust Set or Trust Lines and click it to expand the drop-down menu. Click Selected Token from the list below to view the list of available tokens, then choose XBIBLX from the list. Click Send Trust to Xumm to continue. Click Confirm, no transaction memo is needed. The next screen will display a QR code for the transaction. Now open your Xumm wallet app and press the Home button located in the bottom center of the app. Press Scan QR code and scan the QR code to display the XRPL Services website. After scanning, review the transaction details and slide to accept, then press Continue to proceed. Wait for the transaction to be sent and verified, and once confirmed, press Close. After completing the transaction, you'll now see the XBIBLX listed under your token in the Xumm wallet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.